Today I received my Raina's Crazy t-shirt. It's awesome. This young lady is such a talented person. She's not only a chef, but she's also a competition food eater. So she often makes some food at the house and large quantities too, and she eats them, and she also goes out to these major competitions. This young lady has set records already, and she's only in her early 20s, so that's pretty amazing. Okay, we're gonna get started here. I got my shrimp. Gonna get that almost ready. Well, let's do it up, man. Let's put a little bit of cayenne on there, get some color, you know, a little bit of that, a little bit of this, you know, it's all good stuff. See, put some cayenne. Gotta have some garlic, man. Gotta have some garlic. You know, shrimp without garlic is not shrimp. Just good taste, you know. And what we have today is, I got a couple of nice chuck steaks that's been marinating in some nice sweet chili sauce. Okay. Oh yeah, look at that. Beautiful. The grill's nice and hot, so we're gonna throw that baby on. Listen to that sizzle. Yeah. Put that aside. Take our skewers, we're going to put one there, and drop one there. The steak's only going to take a few minutes. Okay, let's do the first turn, you know. It's always the most interesting. Look at that. Oh yeah. Nice. Oh yeah. Got them grill marks going. We're going to turn the shrimp over here. We're going to rotate that over there like that. I think I'm going to do a little more cayenne on this one. And we're going to close it up. Okay, we're going to plate these now. Oh yeah. Look at that. Oh my God, that looks so good. I don't want to cover that beautiful shrimp. And I used a couple of skewers to put my steak on so it doesn't burn my plastic plate. Which is okay, you know. It's alright. Let's get a close-up of this. Oh yeah. Mouth-watering. Grilled to perfection. Look at them shrimps. Ooh, yeah. Come on, flies, go find another place to land. Ooh, yeah. That looks so good. I can't wait. Delicious. Oh, yeah. Can't wait to check that out. Oh, don't forget, go to Raina's Crazy. She's an awesome cook and a competitive food eater. Very, very interesting person. There you go. Mike's chuck steak. Marinated in a sweet chili sauce with a little olive oil. The shrimp, I put some chili powder and garlic seasoning on them. Oh yeah. Delicious. All grilled.